So, you know coming or you don't want to coming? Why? Working. Workingin mo mukha mo. Working, then later meet another girl. Very good la. You come or no? You come or no? Just yes or no only. Just yes or no only. Start in the morning. I'm here already. Until now, I'm here again. You come or no? With dinner only. This is my last day off already. Next month again my day off. Next week very busy already. So now my mother, this is my last day off already. Because next week very busy already. No time already to day off next week. So say my madam, just now I take my day off already. So next month already my day off. So you coming with dinner or no? Why? What time finish your working? Working, then later finish your work, then meet another girl. Why? Because you have a schedule to another girl. Okay lah. Umuwi